Generally in power system, from load flow analysis, we have the relationship between real power and reactive power. If you take care of real power, real power is proportional to phase angle delta, which is more sensitive than your voltage magnitude. Similarly, reactive power is more sensitive to magnitude of voltage, which is less sensitive to phase angle. Now we can see the operational measurement here. In this case, the power quality we are going to take care. Power quality means you want to give pure sinusoidal shape of voltage to the consumer end. Okay, so you want to take care of frequency, voltage, level of reliability. First question is, why you need constant frequency? Here in all the machines you are keeping at constant speed. Okay, so the frequency must be constant because your N is proportional to 120 F by P. Okay, so you should maintain your frequency constant. So in continuous process of the industry, it affects the operation of process. And what happens if your frequency you are not maintaining means the blades are designed in such a way that so it operates at a particular speed alone. Okay, so the frequency variation problem occurs means we have speed variations according to this formulas 120 F by P, and the result is your mechanical vibration occurs. Okay, so you should keep your constant frequency. Similarly, why you need constant voltage? Okay, constant voltage. If you take care electric motors, we have taken care over speed when they are filled with higher voltages. Okay, what is the inference of this, or it happens means what is the result as? Again, mechanical damage and vibration. Okay, if you go for over voltage, the causes as insulation failure. If you go for under voltage, you know your current you should take care. Okay, that is power rating PSB into I. Okay, low voltage means I will be more, so more current means heating problem occurs. So you want to maintain both voltage and frequency constant. If you take care of this, active power and frequency should maintain balance of load and generation. Okay, and load frequency control. For reactive power and voltage, automatic voltage regulator is useful. Okay, in this case, load and power balance equation, kindly see here. This is the example you can take. This is the example power balance equation. Your generation must